My name is Kate Bennett, and I am a board member of WPSU. Here is my recommendation about a project to keep you busy while you are staying at home and staying well. If you are like us, you have years and years and years and boxes of photographs that need to be sorted through and organized and possibly tossed. We are doing that, and we're also, after we enjoy a lot of these, we're making piles, and we're going to send these away to friends and family and let them get rid of them in their own way after they've enjoyed them.